Peace everybody. Today we're going to do a gaming test on the Oukitel C21 with the Helio P60 chipset. Now this is the latest device from Oukitel, but they are releasing this C22, so we're going to play Call of Duty as well as PUBG as well as Gear Club. So if that sounds like something that's interesting to you, stay with me and I'll see you right after this. Okay, a little PUBG action, guys. Now, this device can play up to high graphics on here, so we do get the ability to change the graphics on high, but I'm gonna play this on medium because I feel like I play a lot better when I'm on medium graphics. But you can see we can go up to high and we can go up to HD. So let's go get some PUBG in. Alright, so this is PUBG. It looks really smooth on here, even on medium. I like playing on medium over high graphics just because for me it looks smoother, it plays smoother, and it even looks just as good. So look at this, really smooth. Let me turn the volume up so you can hear that a little bit better. The speakers to the left side of me on my hand, and I was covering up for a second, but now my hand is off and you can hear it sounds really loud. Nice hollow, but in a good way. It sounds hollow, but it's good because it spreads out the sound on the device from the top to bottom, even though it only has one speaker in there, which I really do appreciate. Let's see if we can get some scope on here. The game has a nice flow to it right now, so I pressed the wrong button right there, but you can see that's how it would look when you fire out a weapon. Let's zoom in and see if that'll work. Yep, so we get that aiming, it works perfectly fine. Now the Cubot X30, when I did that like this, it wouldn't stay zoomed in. I'd have to hold the button, so big problem there. This one didn't have that issue. Alright, so this is kind of what it looks like when you're gaming. I mean, I could probably like play a little bit longer, probably get a few kills on here. Let me see if I can get a kill at least. So I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, there hasn't been one freeze or stutter since I've been playing this game. It's warming up, but it doesn't feel in the least bit uncomfortable. It still feels super comfortable in my hand. So no complaints with that. Oh, there's somebody behind me. Wait, where is he? Alright, so that gives you an idea of how the graphics actually look on this thing. Wow, that was super impressive. We're gonna jump into some Call of Duty Mobile right now. Alright guys, let's jump into a little bit of Call of Duty here. This looks like it's gonna play really nicely. Let's go to graphics settings here and just see what that's on real quick. When we go to the graphics here, you can see it's at medium. You could put it to high. You can see right here. Let's go back, play a little bit of Call of Duty. Let me turn this volume up. Now the speakers on here are definitely suitable. Let me see. I see a guy creeping in that door. I wanted to catch him.
Enemy contact. UAV spotted.
This is playing smooth, so even on high graphics, it's running pretty smooth. Oh, this is sick. That's sick. I just killed mad dudes, but I got murdered at the same time. I'm gonna get somebody right here. This plays really good games, guys. I'm really impressed with the gameplay on here. There's no stutters whatsoever. I'm really impressed with this, guys. I'm having a good time as well. No issues whatsoever. And then we're gonna play a racing game right after this one. Let's get all these pumpkins up.
Enemy contact.
Where these guys at, I want to catch somebody with this. I think that would be pretty cool.
Missile on standby. UAV online.
Hopefully I could catch somebody with this before the game ends. There's somebody. Alright, so that's it. Now let's just jump into some racing, guys, but this plays really good. Alright guys, so this is Gear Club, and it's hands down one of the most realistic racing games that I've ever played before, other than Asphalt 9. So this phone, for some reason, it had Asphalt 8, but it didn't have Asphalt 9 in the Play Store. You could always download Asphalt 9 directly from the website, but let's just play the Gear Club and I'll show you how great of the graphics this does look. Okay guys, so we're gonna get into a quick race here. So let's just go right here. Driving assistance. I really don't need too much of that, so let's just go right here. And you can see this is gonna look really realistic. Let's switch the view. Let's see if I can squeeze in here. Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Bomb. You really wanted to do that? Nice sharp turn right here. Let's put the brakes on just a little bit. Whoa! Switch the view. You see what I'm talking about? This looks absurd. Let me clip him, get him out of here. Alright, now we working our way to the final stretch. That was lap 1. Oh, you hit the brakes, baby. Oh! Oh, he hit that turn on me. Alright, I gotta catch up, get my first place spot. I was playing around with the view. That's what kind of messed me up. That turn actually messed me up, but I got this. Alright, I think I could catch up to him right here on this next turn. Or maybe not. Okay, here we go. Got that turn easily. Let me throw the brakes on right here. This is fire, man. This is fire. Look at this. This damn course is mad long. I'm not even gonna front. How do I look back? Actually, ain't no looking back. I'm dusting both their asses. Alright, where's the finish line though? Shoot, this race is like, it won't end. There we go. There it is. I see it right ahead. Bow. Alright, that was excellent. That was excellent. Now, as far as this game, this phone comes for gaming on PUBG, Call of Duty, and Asphalt 9 or Gear Club, I could say that this is probably one of the best phones for under $150 that you can get for gaming. So I'm definitely gonna leave a link down below. I would definitely recommend this device for gaming. But that's about it, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, depending where you are. Later, crew. Peace.